Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix no internet connection error on the Costco application. So first of all, you need to start by checking your phone's connection. For that, you can either go to the settings of your phone or you can just swipe the notification bar on the top and then you can just simply take a look at that. Now inside the settings you are going to see the mobile data. So if you are using the mobile data, you need to tap on the option of Wi-Fi, then turn the Wi-Fi on and you need to switch to the Wi-Fi. Similarly, if you are using mobile data, then you need to try switching to the Wi-Fi and you need to see whether now the Costco application is opening or not. Now, if the issue still persists in your case, then you need to simply check for any of the updates, whether these are available for your Costco application or the Google Play Store or App Store. If available, you need to make sure that you install the latest version first. Now, if you are using any kind of VPN services, you need to temporarily turn them off and then retry the connection. Also make sure that the Costco application has the required permissions enabled in your phone's settings. You can check that by going to the settings of your device. Inside the settings, you just have to scroll down and tap on the option of app, then select the option of app management. Now over here on the top, you just have to simply search for Costco. Then when you are inside here, simply tap on the option of the permissions and here you are going to see the permissions that you have basically approved for the app. So that's how you can basically fix this particular issue. Thanks for watching.